I gave MusicCreator AI a simple challenge: make me a piece of music I'd actually want to put in a real YouTube video. And do it fast. Not some 10-second demo that sounds impressive because you don't have time to notice the problems. I wanted something I could actually use. And the speed at which you can go from an idea to a finished track is what immediately caught my attention. The first thing I like about this kind of tool is that you don't need to understand music production to start experimenting. You can describe the kind of track you're looking for, choose the direction you want, and let the AI handle a lot of the heavy lifting. If you're a creator who normally spends way too much time searching through royalty-free music libraries, that alone can be a pretty useful change. I tested it with different types of content because that's where these tools usually get exposed. A track that sounds great for a cinematic video might be completely wrong for a product ad. Something energetic might work for a short but become annoying underneath a 5-minute tutorial. So I wasn't looking for one amazing song. I wanted to see whether the tool could consistently give me something usable, and that's where MusicCreator AI gets interesting. It can give you a starting point incredibly quickly. Instead of opening a music editor with absolutely nothing on the timeline, you can begin with something that's already structured and then decide whether it fits your project. But here's the catch: fast doesn't always mean finished. Some AI-generated tracks can have a great opening and then start feeling repetitive. Sometimes the mood is right, but the music doesn't quite build the way you'd expect. And that's why I wouldn't just generate a track, download it, and immediately throw it into a video. I'd listen to the entire thing with your actual video playing underneath it. That's the real test. Does the music support the story? Does it get in the way of the voiceover? Does the energy change when the video changes? If it passes those tests, then you've got something useful. For YouTubers, freelancers, agencies, and businesses, that's where I think the value is. You're not necessarily replacing a professional composer. You're cutting down the time between having an idea and having music that fits it. And before using any AI-generated track commercially, I'd also check the platform's current licensing and usage terms, especially if you're making client work, ads, or monetized content. So, is MusicCreator AI actually worth trying? If you need original background music quickly, I'd definitely give it a shot. Just don't expect every generation to be a masterpiece. The AI can create the track, but you're still the one deciding whether it's actually good. Now I'm curious, what would you make first? YouTube background music, a cinematic soundtrack, or a full song? Comment below and tell me what you'd create with MusicCreator AI.